Yeah.
So talk to people them now. If at the first you watch a movie, the channel yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What them for do?
Please subscribe and hit the bell.
Yeah, the notification button. You know what I mean? Yeah, thank you for watching and supporting us over the years. And have a Merry Christmas if you celebrate it, and if you don't, you know.
Can we sing the Christmas song?
I don't know. You want to sing part of it fast?
Yes.
Sing it.
I wish you a new year.
All right.
When Christmas come, I wish you happy every day.
All right. You better know.
Let's decorate the Christmas tree. There's the Christmas tree right here, over here.
All right.
This is the Christmas tree.
All right. So in the meantime, go watch a movie. Yeah. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Later, watch a movie. We talk later. Let's go. Honey?
Yes, sweetie.
Come here.
Not coming. What no?
What's up, man? Nothing really want to tell you.
What that?
My niece, like him, my dog, wet. And, you know, I really stay in here up. So, I know them are fire shot in the town here. So, I want them because make she stay down there. She can't go and take care of the place. So.
Well, are your niece, you know? Family. Yeah, she can stay. I can call her over if you come up to today. She can't come right now. She want.
No, man, she's on her way out and make sure to tell her now.
That good man. Your family, you know, man. You respect your family, man.
Sure. I know me all loyalty, man. I don't really cross them boundaries.
That good man, that good.
Alright.
Yeah. Good evening.
Man, English. Baby!
Yeah.
When she come?
Hello.
Meet me one and only queen.
You know, she man. We go for say no man else.
I'm going to
Yeah, okay, no.
Okay.
You can't come relaxing yourself, you know.
Alright. You.
How going?
Good. Where are you?
I go on the road.
Which part of the road you go?
Just right down this, I go look for Alia.
Alright. My time, no. Go on, I'm not want to tell you the time when I give you.
So more hold on, make it.
And you must know.
Later.
And you must know, you know. Oh boy. Hey, come here! Come here. That's what I remember I say something to you. Come here.
Yeah?
Yeah, listen to me. I realize you say I'm going to haul you. But, remember I said the neighbor no know say me and you there no. Because I know they going to tell me woman say me and you there. Remember I say you're my niece. So when you always mention yeah,
Uncle.
right.
No, me know all the time and everything she chat. Me not gonna let you know nothing on panel.
Not all the talk, he love beg, but anyway, but I try to tell us.
But me there eat and drink as me feel like.
I enjoy yourself because I remember me say, if you give a yasso, me cut you out. Me not kill you, me just cut you out. And cut out the other one up at top too, because the two of them you have, a two tongue you have. Me just cut it two of them. Because the two of them still can't work. So if one no go down, me say the top one can work, me cut it. You hear me I say? No ramp with me. Because me now spend money and next man you understand what I say?
Yes, me hear what you're saying.
Okay, because I now take no butter out of the fridge, put in a sun and make the next man
So
tired.
how all of this come up now? That me not understand. How all of this come up?
Me get a dream. I get a dream and I don't want to tell you the dream because I don't want it to happen. Because they say when you get a dream and you tell somebody it going to happen in the wrong way. You better you hold the dream to yourself. You understand?
Hmm.
You hear me?
Yes, me hear what you say, uncle.
Hey, when you're in the house, you don't call me uncle. You're bright.
kind of person here.
Oh.
knows me about.
Oh. Alright.
Me go for the road.
Come down with me in a bedroom, you all are uncle, you know, because that now will look righteous. Oh boy. Oh God, I'm going to feel like that. Not good.
Papa,
I'm here big now.
you think I'll well me come for beg? I come for tell for warn your niece.
When do you?
My niece a friend, yes. Me feed him, anything you want me give him clothes to put on, he sleep there, all of that. But me never tell him say me and him for share, man.
Huh?
Me and your niece not for share the same man. So me want you one or ten for love me man alone.
But take your man.
Where me best my take me man? You deaf? You deaf? You don't hear me say?
Lord of God. What you not do right down there?
Look here. I know about what me not do or what me I do. It's not all about that.
My
A man he be, you know, for you say, babes come now or whatever, he go already. So nothing but the little girl done there seduce him and you know say man no love say no. Man go do anything.
Like that.
Man no say no.
Listen, this a man here said no. Remember me tell you that. Me say no, you're bright. One man no say no. I think no man no come to no. No man no come to where I come to about. They want to sleep with her. We say yes.
I mean, no found no. So how come you sleep with her?
And you must know
I
that.
see that little girl, me know say sneaking, but me never know say would I go so far.
Check yourself before you think.
Look here.
Don't talk twice. No worry.
Why your niece?
No one.
I don't want me and I know.
And also woman to grow.
One your niece.
Woman to have their own property.
Look on him to boy ma have man.
Me I look at it because if you're big and so strong and me hear your man one day me come down and come hear your man a beat it at the bedroom and you scream out. So don't imagine she.
Beat who?
Eh? Don't imagine she not no left on her.
I don't know how I go in the bedroom. Let's stop in nice about beat. Me a good on all the time. Me come to tell say one your man.
No. Me kind of love you because so. Where you say that one? Where you say that one in the bedroom?
You love mix up too
You know,
much.
she no pleasure. Lord of God, me have to tell the neighbor this. Go on, here, tell your friend.
Both tell me about this. You love mix up too
Me
much.
have to tell the neighbor this. Look at the chang body and he not go out with nothing. Lord of God. I have to give them this associate.
Me come back.
Me glad you come back, man.
What that's supposed to mean?
Me glad you come back.
What that's supposed to mean?
Hold on, come just go out. Listen what me say now. You see, me just done cooking now. But you still not,
Me can't get mine now.
Get what? The man we are sleep with. The man we
Me
are.
not sleep with nobody.
You know who come to me?
Who?
Since I got?
Who?
All you come to me say you sleep with him boyfriend.
Oh,
You.
really? You know what she come to you and tell her that? You know why? You know why? Just because she asked me, say, she want her money for borrow, right? And then she me tell the girl, say, me not have it. The girl cuss me off and I find some excuse. If you come up here for your show me, you tell that the girl I walk and say, me catch a few players.
The Lord said, no, he has not directed his words against me. So I will not answer him with your words. So me ask you a question now. You see, the Bible in my hand. You want to tell me, say, you know, lay down with that man?
You deaf? Or not understand English?
Look at me good. If me look like a one baboon, I want cartoon. Eh? Look at me good. Me look like a baboon. Eh?
So you must.
I want to do that so. Me not good enough. Awa, me too short.
Me tell you, say nothing no go so. So when as people run come and say something to you, you jump with it, you don't care what me you want to say.
Awa, me have Vinny.
Answer me.
Me have Vinny sachets and my jumbo flags. Eh? Eh? Me have Vinny sachets. And my jumbo
Oh,
flags.
you tell me my name, check time.
I don't business so I never want here.
Me care. So, alright, look at this. Suppose I'm gonna walk in. How much is I'm gonna pay you?
You know, take a walk, please. If you look at someone.
Me just come off and road.
Why am I take a walk? Wash off because you do that good.
Oh, so when I run me to your house now.
Why you gonna lay down with the girl, man?
Me not little with her man, you deaf?
Eh, Awa? Awa, so?
Listen, me don't, you know, me don't take you back.
Me believe her, you know why me believe her? Because I'm a woman here and you still come lay down with me. So yeah, we go do it with you, man.
Oh, talking about that. When I say me know, you tell me see I have no woman. I want me if you can't live with you now. You make me know see have your woman and tell me what me if you do.
Yeah.
Me could do left.
Yeah. Man, we say anything we get a woman. And when they get the woman, and through the woman a yard, that's the problem. Man go to look woman. You see, once you don't want the man.
You're just bad. No. You know what I'm done with you?
Me keep me cool. Holy Bible. Shall bless me, yeah? Because you make me not kill. And you make me not do no killing. I bless you.
Yeah, dude. That's going on further. Only for respect, man. Alright, so, yeah, we're going to know. We say, you want to work, right?
Good no further. Not to go on. Be stressed out. The woman I may have a yard a complaint to me every minute. I really want to work because Christmas will come up and you know one woman if you go leave me alone next man take him my father. You know what I mean? Maybe go please just give me a work. Any work you can do anything.
Yeah, we're going to know. Yard very, very dirty. You understand? So I want you clean up your yard. Me employ you to do that. Anytime your yard dirty, you just come and clean up it.
Any work father man.
You see me? And then after you can heap up it over this up and light it and something. So my tree them want chop down too, cause you don't want nobody come in there and hide at night time and try to hurt me.
Please father man, you can't deal with them sitting there man. Yes one time me touch road and I do work, yes when leave see me then tremble. Cause they don't like see me, they know see me go move them up and put them one side and say any work father man, really want a job.
So you can forward in tomorrow early and go and deal with it.
What time are you early? Cause me
up anytime, you know.
Me get up 4 o'clock and 10 you know, before the hours.
No man, them time me just a turn.
Oh.
Or them
So you have to tell me what kind of early father.
Yeah man, you can check in 7, 6. Just check in and come do your work.
6, maybe the 6.
Me always up on the road doing. You understand? Sometimes I left my car here. See car right there so. And my woman who there said you so. You make sure know say I can't do your work. Babes!
Do you want a phone?
Browning!
I could have take your phone number and something on.
Browning!
Your phone me not having a father.
Come like she run a back bud. Just check back man, you know what me dem man say just forward the right time and as me say.
Broad woman have.
Yeah man, as me say my woman out there tomorrow. You understand? She always there, so if you want anything now you come you want to rake and mash it, she will give you them also. You understand? So
I like work with tool now, but me have 1 and 2 tool up on me.
yeah man, so you are dirty and all still, so just check in tomorrow.
So if first I can start from the boss.
No man, not today.
Not
Today my general I'm going to check me and we are going to have a look at vibes and drink and stuff.
Alright, 6 o'clock then, 6 o'clock.
Alright, so all for respect.
Look out for me 6 o'clock in the
Yeah,
morning.
man, me there, man.
Come, me have to call how long and can't hear no call it well, me call how long and me not hear nobody.
How long me I call the baby, what you do?
Me have to people and work come in, me wonder if I'll dog over here and stuff. I'm really on the job, so me have to take a risk.
Alright, so
Me not make something.
this is my princess, you see me, so employ him for cleaning yard and stuff. So tomorrow I'm going to go forward, go and clean the place early man, go sweep up the yard and
Alright, me come in man, me come in boss.
So what more you do? When I'm not there, when you forward you just give me something that money for work with them, if you ask for
yeah, file
then I told them me deal with them, man, I just tell the 7 a day. Yeah. So that's that me make a note, so you can go back in. Alright. So just check in tomorrow, man.
Alright, tell her to mark my face here so when you can come in tomorrow.
Yeah man, you know you man.
Respect.
You're good man. You're good man. We always
Respect father. Say father, yo, you need to know what you're doing right now, you know, father. Respect and manners here.
Alright, my general. I want to say money off for Christmas.
God works in a man. Yo, God, man. Yo,
big up.
respect father. Respect.
Yeah man.
Respect here.
Alright.
Yo, hey, bossy.
Yo!
Hold on. Come, what are they?
Bombard. A sound go on good in there. What? What? Yo! Mighty God. No man, me come to clean up the place, man. The place not look good, boss, man. Come in, come deal with me. Come deal with me. Come deal with me, man. I want to go on my work right now. Mighty. Boy. Hold on.
Give me a minute, me a fall there.
What?
Me a fall, me up on the work.
Yo, want to clean up the place.
Yeah,
now,
me a fall, me a fall. Me a
How we
fall.
are sitting, come. Keep this thing on close up. Yo. What? Yo, bossy.
Me a fall, me up on the work. Me a forward.
Want to work now, man? Want to work now? Man.
Oh sure. Too much.
Bossy.
Oh what?
So you're going in the bossy? No bother with their style in the boss. No bother with their style, bossy. So you're going in there?
No man, up on the work, me there man.
I where me come to get enough for the
Yeah, man.
place. Say place kind of dirty up and see, you know.
You know, have to just start
No,
and break
man.
the place, man. You ain't have to call me, man.
More here for you first, man. Come
No,
and say,
man.
why
They
do
go,
things
man.
never turn out too good? And
You do it right, man, so you can
so
do
you're
it.
going in the bossy?
There, man. Let's go on the way out of here. Let's go check it out.
What?
Go check it.
Alright.
Babes want me.
Well,
Can you look so?
I'm sick, I feel good.
Now I have to go to a pharmacy, you know. Alright, here I go do. I go to a pharmacy go get 2 pills for you. And a medicine.
How long was you on the road for?
Me not take long, man.
A week.
Alright, let me get 2 more but I'm back now.
Yeah. Oh God.
Alright. This will come.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Oh, you so lie. You lie, you know?
Hold on.
Oh, you sick. This what are you sick?
So what up me and you? Who are the bigger lion? No you say me and your uncle. Now you gotta tell people about me and your uncle.
I will tell me if you tell people so.
Well, it goes there, that's it.
Stop.
Stop.
Suppose I'm gonna come and see.
No, me say some mosquito me a clap. Oh, I'm saying our style. I mean, when come in there come here, yeah. One me say a pan I watch and push in the closet. Man full yeah man full of style. Man are the wickedest thing for hurt.
I believe you.
And woman are biggest Delilah.
Anyways,
Because
more 5 grand, when we can get that.
when Mumzilla come tell him, I was in Ghana pharmacy, so then come back. Says, I want 10 grand and give you 5. Well,
Alright.
in Ghana work though, he said, come back and Ghana work, you know how you go.
Hello. That's all you're good for, right? When me left here and tell us if you deal with something, me tell yourself if you control the yard and it come like you not control it. You lay down in a sub on phone. Why in a yard look so dirty?
What you mean, babes, you see the yard boy out there work?
Nobody know out there. What you mean if me not see yard boy out there work?
Him tired now, babes, and take a break, babes. You see my work right through the
Why in there? Me not see him nowhere in a
If
yard.
maybe him gonna shop or something, babes,
Gonna
gonna
shop
cool off.
away. Listen to me I say. Me tell you so when me not there, are you supposed to control everything. You understand? You can't just forward in the morning so and have him forwarding gone for break. You have to do majority of work before you can take break. And none of work out there to do. You understand? You
Let me
lay down
tell
in
you
a
something,
phone.
no, you not been at me talk.
No. And me I spend the money in there so you're
So
not supposed
what?
to have no talk. Cause watch alright, listen what I go on now. Me I go out there go rake it. And you see when me go out there go rake it, 10% IMP will come off.
Yeah,
Know
see
that.
a thousand add leaf out there, babes. I'm a rake every day. When you gonna work, I write 3 days I work. Me I work till him sweat and take off him clothes sometimes. Sometimes I feel sorry for him, babes. You know him I work? You not work like him, you know?
Who not
He
work
work till him tired and pop down, babes.
Me
The
not
thing
work
say the
like
yard,
him.
look how the yard big. Look how the yard big. And you tell me
Okay.
say, him not do enough. Me not
Alright.
tell no lie, babes. Him
Alright.
work
Look now.
hard.
No,
Him
look
work
now.
very hard.
Look now, me I go rake the 1,000 leaf for you say out there, but no say percentage a drop off.
Me don't know why you feel going so. I
No,
know-
so oh you just a pick up film so.
Me
All
not
of a
pick up
sudden.
him, babes, but him a work right. I mean him there and right
Yeah,
through
him
there.
there.
Him a work, babes,
Yeah,
and
him
sit down
there.
here. Sometimes me I look through the window and me have to say no, sir. This is you take a work all in the rain. Him a work in a sun hot. Him a work, babes. So
So
if
me
him a
not see
take,
my direct on the camera.
me don't know. What you mean the camera did it for sure? So you don't go see the yard clean and because the breeze a blow.
No, me on rake.
Breeze
Judgment
blow
day
every
upon the
time.
way. Or yourself.
Judgment day.
Me I go rake it, but remember me tell you, say percentage will come off and pay. And you can't tell me so me can't take off it because me I pay every money in it.
I don't business once don't knock one for my money.
Once one now come off a feel. From me feel it, you have to feel it. Say, if me not happy, you can't happy. So nobody feel like say if me happy, you feel happy to know.
Okay, me don't know what you talk about, you know. Me don't know why you come in here and I go on
No,
so.
me don't feel alright about the place. I will live right on the road front. You understand? And people are pass and I sit. And people
But
know say I
the
live over
place
here.
clean every
And
day.
that me I tell you.
It
So
clean
if-
every
no,
no, listen to me
all
as a
you,
man.
me did plan for give 140 grand in my mind, but no say it a drop a 20 I get. So everybody percentage a drop.
Yeah.
And that's so me feel like man, you know. Me not happy or no can't happy. Me on rake it. And so me not no argument. If him alright, he need to get a good money. But me I take off percentage, alright, 10%. Right, me even feel well bad too. When me done rake it, I feel exhausted more. Me go to take off all 15 or 20%. So you now go have none forget. So me
That's a
don't
feel
talk.
my your business.
Don't see me and fee business. Fear come off this and over yourself, your mind not get none too.
Go on, man.
Go on now.
No, what you tell me say you employ one yard boy, break up yard and so how you do it? So we are paying for them.
That me I say to come out here and me see whole place nasty. And I like me now pay me I pay him.
Yo.
And my woman I tell me say I do work. I doing work.
I what do you know? My passport can link you with general. And I come here. I be here things are going on in there.
Oh go on.
All I look at dancing then them a do it on TikTok and all the wall up the man and wall up. Me don't know if you have an account?
No, me not have a
The
account.
box side. Me don't know if you post them those ones. So what then go on with that one jump up and lap run and a party when you're there. Be a party.
I know so me tell her so me don't want the money in her house in there.
What me
Tell
tell her?
him say I in a yard alone if it tan.
Me say when Puss gone, got check charge. Now I tell you, all the things are going when you do the boy.
So that's why every time he always ask me say if the man come clean yard today.
But that time I see man all a throw back trash. I see man go some and my carry back. He say, what is going to eat puppy and carry back some and throw back yourself. That means say he have work to do. Him them, you know, like my pass my days I work here. Every day I see him come and say, 2 times I see him look around so straight in the house. Him cook, him shop, tell all see my clothes, I see my wear.
Come on. Oh?
No, but I answer me say, but more you can't see yourself. Rally back on them. The times you're gonna work on that time them and rally back. I'm tell you say, when you're gone, you live your best life. You never cook in yard.
When
you come and cook straight
through.
out.
All my clothes.
Yo, you just have to know them run place man. This is so I think when you work hard and you put on woman in
You
your
know
yard.
say you would come to me and tell me say yo nothing now go on for man you want some money in like Christmas and he really need a help and the man beg me and say give me work you know. You understand? And when me look upon me and say you know say no man not clean the yard door not even in a room you know want clean so I say alright me a business man me depend on the road every day. Me give me look work because that look money there me a give now job no from. And
Yeah,
give
man.
money work and this I thanks them and tell me.
Right now, man, good at tell woman thanks too. I'm good at tell woman thanks. But anyway,
Now I was saying nothing to them, you know, as you say. Rally back.
just
on
rally
them,
back
yeah.
on them though.
Me I do it, man.
Because I don't want to say me an informer. Because no, that's not me, sir. You know, another thing there. You know what I mean? I just show you, I highlight about the situation. You know what I mean?
You know, say I should have want a woman to get gun clean up in the door.
Yeah, that means you could have played that, so you could have sent your wife some time and help her clean. So what you do, when you fire this one here, you get a woman, pay her some woman to
No,
clean
but you
both
get
sides.
one woman to clean in her room because she not cleaning there. So
No.
if the man need to do something, me and the woman will do something.
Yeah, but somebody think gonna work, then go treat some. Now go nice, daddy. I tell you, so 6 or 1/2 dozen of the other. And then, you know, it can work.
No rally back, man, as you say.
Yeah, man. That. See, that pass me and pass through still.
All
Something
right.
to deal with said here. Cause yo, I could catch you and try to set me up, you know.
Yeah.
My woman best friend. You know what I mean? She said, come on to me. You know, me I wonder if we take it or left it. But then the thing will stay too long, so I never master. So I have to say wonder if you just go and work with it. That means if your woman are going so, when my woman do the same thing too, me have to go figure out.
My woman a friend down.
Yeah, I'm my best friend. So she come there now and then, come sleep over. And night when woman I say, come on, sit dead, you know. And I just sleep dead in the say, Ray, or wake me up and then I go play around. But myself, it's rough.
Alright, so you tell me better you take it because you really run cool out there.
Same thing. So anyway, someone gone somewhere. So I'll pick her up and carry her go somewhere. Because she want to go somewhere, she want to go somewhere nice. But I carry her to Greenfield Hotel. Because there's nothing like nature. And nature is free. I mean, I have no money to spend. Anyway, your neighbor with us. So I wonder if I want jacket fit me. Because it's like everywhere you turn there's a problem. More wood for more wood for the fire. You know what?
Alright, that's alright, I'm there.
Anyway, I'll pick up that
I'm
girl.
vexing you, I'm here to tell you some can't believe you say yeah.
But no, if I'm like you, I'll let you know. 'Cause if you do the work, why can't you go pay for it? You understand? So if you do it now, you have a deduction pay.
That take off 10%.
You take off money off and pay money. You can't do the work and a pay man to do it. Yo, we talk, man.
Alright.
I tell you about what you say.
Yo. So long you take to come with the liquor water, man. See, you have to depend on phone every minute.
Me I try, I don't want food.
See, you can't cook.
No, me not cooking mood right now. If I use a bad to cook,
You brush your teeth since you wake up little while.
it's a bad.
Feeling good.
That's the one.
No, I'm not smelly, but you have to ask if you brush your teeth, you just wake up, see a seat from I don't want to take water, man. What do you have colored up? I like it.
No, water now, some just sparkling water.
Sparking water? Sparking. Sound good.
Somebody, I'm hungry.
Alright. One prepare you have to prepare, man.
What more you want?
Eh? When you prepare food, I make sure so when time I done do this and cool off and all that fresh, you can't deal with me right. So I can get something in my stomach and I do proud of you, man. You all work hard both. I don't know you, this is never one thing in life. Fill up. You want to clean stuff. This is my never clean. I'm going to check it. Who's over the sun still? You want to tell them. Watch out. Oh, mad. Yo, at Christmas, me get the most work to do, you know, Daddy? Christmas.
Why today was a hard day at work? What then the grass that's up? Oh God. Yeah, my child learn at school.
I feel like because sometimes you go and you don't know what at all.
But if I learn at school, I'd be a liar. I couldn't tell be a liar and be rich.
So you have to then tell be a lie.
Well, that's the name. The name said for yourself, you know. Liar. Can you just say it fast? Here we go.
Liar.
We could be a politician. Politician.
You would have to work.
A politician, you know, is a trickster.
So you want to be trickster?
Well, no. I don't think I want to trick my people, them. I don't think so that would be a good. But you see, the liar thing now, tell to lie, in some cases can be good and can be bad. But like now, I say which work could be a good work. A doctor would be a good work. You know what I mean?
They help the people.
Them could help the people them still and teach them certain things, you know what I mean? But on the one side of it though, I have to pray for people get sick, because if they don't get sick, more than no work.
You know we can.
No, the doctor.
But if you're not, they still know we pay you.
No, I talk with doctor now. With doctor, you have to get sick if you got a doctor. Because I'm telling you, so when you're poor, you don't get for the regular checkup. You see, if they have money, they will get a regular checkup every 6 months. They do a full checkup.
Do you want private?
The dentist thing too. A poor man don't see no dentist until he keeps at that thing.
True.
The rich man now in the go dentist all the while. They have a regular appointment in flossing teeth them, in whiten them, in bleach them, in blacken them, in all that stuff really because you have money to do it. But a poor somebody, you know, some of them want to be in a them category we can do things. Come to do a checkup for my dental. And you know, I'm not there for that shit right now. But anyway, we gotta do work though. So we get the money.
Unless they want to ask for something.
No, I'm not ask for no money.
You not, sure.
Oh.
Never ask for money. Yeah, you have to know for yourself, say if you give me money. I have to ask for money.
Come here, some of your friends them a chat say they start. But anyway, them a chat because you, at least you get food to eat. And if I know one them say come money go get food to get money. And then you know. Everything good.
I really want to say, my friend, you know, look slim girl wherever they come over here.
Oh yeah, I know she man.
That
they call her Mosquito, what's your name though?
Naya. Papa, look your niece.
Maybe let me get the name from because you're 9. In taxi. So I'm there for a time, you know. I mean I try to sleep and I turn that up. Now you what she saying no. So that thing says Mosquito. But anyway.
But anyway, let me say, she want to come over here and sleep tonight.
Come sleep?
Sleep.
Sleep? What in bed? What in bed?
No man, true. Papa have him woman up there. He want to give them a space. They know say one room. So he want to give
oh, actually Papa and niece?
Yeah.
Oh.
So he want to give them a space.
So about we don't want space too?
Yeah, but we don't tell her ropes already say if you go on she have to go outside or do something or go somewhere on the road or something.
Oh man, don't know yourself
agree.
man. We get enough for you already so I can't take a break.
And she agrees, so.
I said no worry about it. She can't stay, man. You know, Mosquito, but tell her if you not give me too much a 9.
Alright.
Aliyah!
They can plan the plans and do. I plan the planning.
No, we just there calling.
Oh, come to that, Mr. Paul.
Girl, we just there calling.
Eh? No, me can't.
You say can't stay.
Yeah, man, you
I
can.
love studio.
Alright, yeah,
So
man.
you tell me say one night.
Aliyah.
Then we don't want you to stress. Alright. Yeah, man, you can't stand, man. You know, not please sleep. Oh, you want to sleep on the bed?
Yeah, but me I go sleep side there. You know sleep.
Yeah, because you know, we can't take a 9. This when we want to sleep, just want to sleep. Nobody trouble me.
So you go sleep on the front or on the corner.
You go sleep on the front, yeah.
Or me
Good. No worry about it.
so.
Just sleep on
Me sit like corner right here, so beside the wall.
Yes.
Alright, so.
Me sit down here, so I can't sleep up there. So.
At least you figure the this yeah man, the good man, I can't chill out man. So your uncle,
He alright, you know too long coming from work.
that boy is a thief.
You ever take off here?
No man, me and go school together man. We're a thief for the mango off a tree.
So you don't thief to then?
Yeah, but me the smart one. Never get catch.
Yes, man, thief.
Yeah man, I tell you.
You know, I go see them a thief until when they get catch, you know.
Yeah, but we are looking at you then time there, and some people have the Nisberry tree and no one nobody pick no fight. So one time, as miserable still, and the thief, you know, we just got take it. So cause we are taker then, they never really know, they just take over one. You know what I mean?
Alright. So me just say no.
Yeah man, you make yourself at home man, the casa your casa. You eat early?
No.
The time first thing you try to do before you come here. You know what you have to do, go back home and come back. Let's go up your home and come back.
No, change your ways. You can't change your ways.
Yeah, give some food, man. Chop man. Some run you don't drop, man.
Got food there, tell you.
Oh, you clap a while ago.
Mosquito, you don't feel my bite.
That's the saying mosquito, you know.
I will call mosquito.
No, I think about that name. No, this is no, but you clap your friend a while ago, man. That's a friend to friend.
My name Naya. My name
Naya.
Mosquito. Don't do it.
Alright.
Mosquito, yeah.
Hey, Andrea.
Where is the name out there?
Mego.
I still wear them out?
Mego like chair.
You're bad, you go to school now, man. Yeah, man, go there, though. You're good, though?
Yeah.
Why? You know, long me I tell if you're hungry somewhere in our family, you try to get his sister, but his sister now walk out for me. And like, you're the niece and now, I look like you reach your age of plucking. How much are now, 20? Or 22?
No, 21.
21. But girl, same thing. Come see your boy here, bro. You boy tongue to?
Nah, here.
Oh, yeah,
So,
money
what I
one
so
time.
far?
No, my eye was before. Know yourself, man. Your future look bright like a fire. You know what I mean? So you shine. Yeah, man, that's one thing go shine for you. You have to put fire. Yeah, man, you have to put fire upon the case, man. You're going to put fire upon the case in all our work.
You know, with a wife.
Know yourself, man. When she don't know, know her time. So my time, when I get all day off, we just tell us, I still have to work. I made us go out. And we give you money. You know what I mean? Are you happy? And me happy. You happy, me happy. Every time me happy, you happy. Every time you happy, me happy. She not happy no. Because she happy all the while. The day after 2 nights, she not happy. See, 9 nights when she asleep, you feel like that she hand over upon me. The dash hand over upon me. And feel.
How can that mean? You sleep for your body, so she sleep here. So.
Yes, but.
Not long. Because she fat.
No, when you come off of the bed then, and your creep come on and so, come touch me. I'm with me up and me go in the bathroom.
You like me, can't fight she?
No, when
She 3 times me.
She sleep dead. When she asleep, you could have moved your house. And she still know where you come. After she sleep. So when she asleep, she asleep. Right? So she just asleep, you know where enough, you also free. And then different when you go nowhere, you come over. Because I don't send her out. Send her you want to come, we send her go shopping because she love go shopping. If me there and say, go and go shopping, she gone. Go and stop, she gone. So we go do it like that. When I want to see her, I say, babes, go buy some XYZ now. Go buy some XYZ. I can't say bleach done now. All if one back of bleach there and we just dash away bleach. And cause so go buy some bleach and some mark. Nobody don't say because don't bleach so good. So now all over the place go buy things. And then made there. So now all over the place. And you get money. Alright. You get money, you're good. Alright. Let that soaking though.
She take time with the food though.
No, she had to get first. We go check her. And show. You see, true, she said she had come down today. That girl let me know what time he go come. I don't want him come and come see her. And then he go say, you know, we are do things, you know, if your mind not good already. You know what I mean? So
what time she come?
You just tell me that she come today, that's why I tell you you have to go up. You know what I mean?
Wish we could have stayed a little longer, but as I say, I don't know what time she come, so every time I leave. But in time I know she come, I'll come back down here and look for you and can sleep over.
So wait till the uncle say? Wait till the uncle say me give
I tell my uncle say me I stay down a couple days with Alia. But he don't know say Alia not there.
Oh, they think so Alia there too? Well, alright. When she come back, you come back same time. So that means say, you go look normal. So you can tell the uncle say, boy, you know say something wrong there do. But you want to come check if he's alright. Because you got to feel very concerned with them. You have to come check if he's alright, but you have to go back down, go do some finish up where you want to start. You know what I mean? You know, pick some weed and now get some money out of it. Alright? So you can tell him that there. And when you come down, I'll give you money. See where you can go. Give buy my juice out of it. And love, buy rum and drink rum out of it. You know what I mean? That's what family members done. They like rum.
Okay.
Come on. Before,
Ready, I drop your
What am I gonna do? Listen, me can't walk on the road. Blood, chat, yeah. The neighbor chat too much.
That's true.
So you know why? Yeah, it's like how if they see I walk past, they don't know. They're not really focused. But if they see me and you, then go see something.
Alright.
Yeah, man, so. You should go and stay long.
Aliyah!
Everything was nice about it.
Aliyah!
Where the pants
No, she's not there now.
Where's she there?
She's gone to country and do some things to come back.
Oh, so you think this was the perfect opportunity to bring over your little scanty side girl?
No, our best friend, she just come check it. Looks like you come, so she come.
Oh, I love it right here, so. Eh?
No, what means it to you though?
Wait till me tell Aliyah whole of this, so yeah, cause you see what make man a dog do.
But they won't say about you though. You know, you say for your man left because I see everything. Yeah, you can't man in my house.
My man, what you know about me and my love life, you know, say my man left me.
Everybody here, everybody wanna know. Everybody know about you and the banana tree. You love the banana tree. And that them I say, them I call the banana tree.
Do not get me twisted. Don't get me twisted up. Now because you and fear girl, them I go out with you.
You know what they call? No, the man, they call the man banana man, you know. We don't know. If come I don't know where you are the banana tree, you feel the banana tree. You know, easy. Why anyway? Keep your mouth and shh. Because I don't see sense why you go chat. Because you know say if it's me tell your man say you are being born. And not me. Remember, and not me. Because I say you're part with the squad, born nation, you know. I who no responsive born. And he's a general born. The brethren, when the brethren find out, he nearly jack down, and he's a swear pa, he's like, yo, this a girl there. Never arm a fly because you're good with the words them though. I'd like to be like you one day. I'm not so dry eye. You can't be said the man a farmer, you pop the banana tree. Same banana tree in a cellar and see there. Yeah, man with the pan that we can buy you one ice cream. What next way?
Welcome girl. Hello. Me I saw to chat to you about cause hey.
What?
You see that mother girl the way you think to see her your friend? You see that same one the way you feel see her your friend? I know you it could see him. I don't even know if to describe the girl to a grieve my spirit. Papa and niece. You don't know her?
Oh, Naya.
She's not your friend, right?
We don't know.
No? She take your man.
Girl, yeah, right now, I stop and joke with me. Yeah,
you make brother me, I tell you, say I take your man. When that's so hard to believe.
I don't believe you, you know.
Yeah, I believe because I see them up in the road. Like,
up
the road, me pass and see them and me and wonder what them do together. I'm going to find out, say, yo, it what them are. Link on the side.
How would it? Girl.
You told me shot me even did get the video hit.
I thought you should even take a picture and send me.
If me did that thing more than once say yo me did the video. But me I tell you say the girl no read that full time now you cut her off.
Alright, me gotta do. Me know what me gotta do. She have to alright, later. Thanks for telling me. Question, where am I money now?
What is that? Hold on, come on.
No, me don't need to know how you come up. Where am I money now?
What will I take your man, girl?
Girl, me just get a call say them see you and my man.
What if you don't see me that me and your man and me come from bathroom?
Not no other deal. You don't need to leave.
All your mad somebody. When me come
You
here,
already
when me come here, meet your boyfriend.
Yeah, man, if you yeah,
When
me
you
a
come here,
long
meet your
time.
boyfriend.
Girl, a long time you know my man. A long time. And I just today night tomorrow yeah come. Remember me and your friend for a long time. Cause me and Papa your friend and your little niece. So me say alright, me go treat you like I want. Me little partner, me little daughter or whatsoever then. And girl, I really got it down with my man, bro.
I'm gonna tell you the truth. Me, what am I gonna with a boyfriend? Me and your boyfriend and you even sleep nice see I'm bed.
Yeah, pitney. Girl, you're 21, you're not pitney. There's nothing hard. If you look for you, but you don't have it with my man right now. Nothing no hard night. And my man love woman, so me know him stay. If you even seduce him or whatsoever, him nah say no. A woman your name, no matter how you look. You couldn't look like he ground on this how people walk on the air, him still a go say yes cause a man in name. She can't tell me.
Yeah, try to say me and your man now is
girl, you know what? 50 people somebody will tell me. Now go tell me no like cause that happened first time. Take she video and take picture send me never believe her at first. Now when she send me video and the picture or whatsoever at that time me believe her. So when she tell me that now, me believe her, she don't need to leave. Anything else?
Good night.
Good night, where you are now?
Yo.
She called me a bitch.
Me now go on. You see, the little friend will tell you the story.
You don't know who tell me this
Know
story.
yourself, man. At the Margaret, you know why you tell her that. One day when you tell me for job, your friend on the road, she see it already. On the road.
She said
Yeah, now yo, I got to tell your woman for you know. She said, listen to me.
well, she never said nothing like that.
You know, she thinks that me tell her boyfriend, make her boyfriend left her. You understand? So she go tell us some story. For you and your friend, no problem for me, you know, a problem because she said revenge I take with me. That's why she call you. So me know that you call you. So no worry about
Question
that.
no, let me ask that question.
Listen to me.
If me hear it from more than one somebody, or if me see it out of me one year, where you think me fi do?
If you see it out of your way, a different something.
Where you think me fi do with you?
So when you see it, you can talk about it. But like you never see it, listen.
Well, me know in this, she need to leave.
Listen up.
One back
No,
your
I know your friend, I know your friend.
One back your uncle. Get up, girl. Get up, get up, get up, get up.
You know?
You look, you say you look in the same, you're not even sitting on to back up yourself.
Yeah,
Get out. Get out.
I bet
The girl in our brain.
We're going to prove it tomorrow.
You know what?
You want to prove it tomorrow? If you're wrong, where go those?
No, if no, you don't
First of all, me
no,
can't
no,
run
no,
you.
no,
If you
no,
go
no.
out the road and somebody
No,
tell us
no.
that they see me and one man, what you go do? You go come here and jump on the chest.
No.
And say, which man do you talk
No. The amount of man here say they are road with me never jump in their chest yet, mama.
Which man, you can't guess me there already know, man.
Stop nice.
Alright. You see, since I mean,
The man who drive the taxi is a man or is a woman.
That's a whole different story. A taxi.
Don't tell him talk.
A taxi.
Alright, you know.
But when they say you're the taxi man dead, did I jump in their chest?
So then this is the reason why they used to say that because when me I go know where you earn money.
No yourself, mosquito.
Stop it and go know where you said no master. Yeah.
No, I want you know. Shh. Tomorrow morning, the same brother Carl come here and we go close the deal, right? It's when you apologize to me and then you go up a mosquito, go up. No, mosquito friend again. No,
No, me not no
you
friend.
go up there, go apologize to her, everything done. We don't talk to her and my whole sleep. Now come on, fire with them.
So you are coming so with it.
Listen, we come in when we come in because me have work.
Yeah,
You see,
you are walk.
me have to work very
You
hard
are
to feed you.
walk. Very hard too.
The two they are.
What I want to say.
Two they are enjoy yourself. You and your friend.
I can't believe her. Two girls up in this to make me a cheaty girl. So you know. Why? I tell about people. Why you are next one?
Alright. Come here, chatting. You need to go get some work do some other time.
Yeah, so me I can link you like maybe tomorrow after my appointment. But if not, me come by Wednesday. Yeah. What we make you know still? We know something about.
Yeah, you know how long
Wait.
You know how long we can't keep your
Where
mouth
come
to
yourself?
yourself.
What happened? What happened? Why you come for me now? Do it.
So that's true. You see a little thing. You're not gonna tell Ali, don't. You're glad of me and Ali friendship mash up, don't?
First of all, I never made it tell you to take your friend, man. If you
Me
did
never that take him, me that
Wait,
borrow him.
Brother, stop chat. Don't chat foolishness on me ears.
Oh, what? Grudge little relationship?
Why not that for grudge?
Because that you know saying give me money, he carry me the one go, and he buy me anything what me want. Anything what me want, for me say, Ray, he go jump, go get it. I that take grudge me for don't. But you not get that.
My man them forgive me, so I don't know why
So
you
if you have your man them figure, we
This
don't love
just
relationship alone.
shut up, please. This don't make no sense. You're not relevant right now.
What me not understand is why you so bad, man. Why grudge little relationship? Eh? You must glad of me and Ali and our friend again, don't?
Why not?
Oh, me catch you pre, you know. That's true. That's you know say me, I borrow Ali a man for time being. You run can infant so me and him boyfriend call it, so you can't jump in the don't. Don't it? Brother said that you want to do. But he not go work. I feel me.
Stop put ownership on one of you first of all. And second of all, me no want them. Me no want that common as they. As much as I'm a friend man, me no want him. Me no don't tell you my man them already what me I do with him. Huh?
First thing first, I'm gonna come on as. Awa, does she and him today?
What?
Are you looking man, he don't want you?
Me out.
Yo, me go tell you. I feel me him and the argument done. So when I see me and him, no go bother go walk and chat and run off and off them out like we always do. Just sit and blind and make the argument steer. Because Ali already find out so we there, you know. So Ali can't stop nothing again.
I try, oh my girl, that you try do, that you try do. Eh?
Let me go. You know where come from?
Look up. Don't make me angry now. Don't make me angry now. They say, yo, where you feel like? Don't bother with me like this. Say, hear that?
Oh, it's so bad.
Let go of me. First of all, let go of me. Don't come go like you want to take my friend man and me just stand up play now. Yo, me done with all of this. Hear that? Cause me not come make no little bitch feel like them as somebody.
Done. Alright.
Where back is it? Let me walk somewhere or something funny.
You're welcome.
Cook good too.
Oh dear man, the food have to cook good enough. Look for me. You see, all the woman that I want left, 2 minutes and no money, and can't leave. Because he can't find out next man out there that can cook like me. You're mad. Cook like me. What's this? Need something to drink?
No. I want juice in the basket.
Where come here call fire?
Oh, you there? So we can't call fire.
You live here? Where you call you for? Me and no friend, and my man no friend no more. You need to come down here.
Oh, so that you dash me if you just come. Right?
You just come. Me and the girl they are friend a long time. You know a fun thing about me? You say me and your friend and you come in here and come and take my man.
You didn't see me and take your man?
Me not have to see you.
You see me and take your man?
You know girl that's sneaky. Me know one of the things you think so me don't know, you know. Are you and your uncle up there? Me know one of the things on the thing me don't know, you know.
Where no about me?
I just to make it more quiet here.
Where no about me?
Come out and
What my uncle do you? Yeah, say about what is about me. Come
me I go about my business. You best you to come out and play.
Actually, me not make sense to say because when I take
come out and play.
I want to come fast still.
Welcome for money. So know if you do it. Watch me idea.
One. I can't sit this off.
Yeah.
You must not turn me on.
Huh?
You must not turn me on.
What? I know me I like it hot. What is that for me? Good, you're nice, you know. I wonder how boss you get a nice one like you, you know.
Let me talk about that. No mention feeling them.
So yeah, well if I not drink, you know. I say, I'll give you the things soft and nice, you know that.
Babes, let me get hot. Be a blush, me a blush, no sir.
Take off your clothes if I get hot now.
No, it's some cold.
And here, man. You know the thing sick. I must come
No,
after the work, you know.
suppose me come.
Suppose him come.
If me, I know,
You take off your clothes and me I go come.
I'm somewhere.
What boy him I come for? Repeat that.
How much garbage here, sir?
75. 75, please.
What going on? Oh, man. So I told you then, I don't understand that.
Bossy, I sitting there, me clean up, man. You see, believe like this.
Why told you then what, man?
That's a blow
Why
outside.
told you then lock up?
That's a blow outside here.
And why out here to full of garbage? So what?
I give my sleep out to because I'm tired. We just don't cook.
Who responds to you in your room?
We know bit but train the year.
Who responds to you in the room?
I mean, but we just train the year make him do some extra stuff.
Extra stuff one, look on that right out there as people come in, them and go see place looks up. Eh? The room that can't stay for last.
What do you do with that?
What you mean? Are you me a talk to? Are you responsible in there? So I didn't tell you to put nobody in there. So I hire nobody for in your room.
In terms of go move, sitting them and saying, help me move them. When you don't eat.
You don't want no food, yo. Just come left from where you do me, Jonah, come clean up. So that don't look good right I do.
Put up a place.
The smell I get hotter and toe in a hotter and something bossy, come here sweat. Oh boy,
Yes, mama,
pick up from my shirt, they come in and I can't go and
Sir, give me a minute.
Yes.
Listen, I said. You see, next time, if nothing like this happen, you're not gonna like it. What am I do with that shirtless? Eh?
You have to listen to me now, babes.
Listen to you if you wine and force if you in
You
here.
do work them.
Do which work?
You hard work them, babes, like take out stuff and move
Take
stuff.
out with stuff.
You
anything-
lay back, you always lazy and always eat, babes. So
What
when
are you doing in here? Let me ask you a question. What you want to do?
Me I instruct him.
Who are spending money in our house?
And you, babes, need know that.
Okay. So you want me spend and come and lift up too? You done now cleaning and me hire somebody for rake your yard. Cause you now raking and hire somebody for do it.
That's why I make him do it because I'm
Hello,
harder,
no, me
babes.
don't want
I'm
nobody in
harder,
the
if you
room.
understand.
No, you see if nothing missing. Are you?
That's
Here?
why I'm in here and I'm watching me and spectating. Now if you want to, babes. We don't want to. Where you go? Maybe some done there yet? Idiot.
We just throw it. Eh? We just throw it.
Where you go?
Eh? You want me kill it now? We just throw it.
Bossy, no bossy, no. No bossy, man, kill me woman. No,
Man, kill her what?
me, boss lady. Boss lady. No, you can't do that.
Are you man?
If you kill a woman, you can't do that, bossy.
Alright.
Bossy,
No,
bossy
listen up.
lady.
No, listen up. If it's since as a woman, just take her and
What?
No man,
Bossy
take her
lady.
and go on.
No, bossy.
Take her and go on.
Bossy, you can't
Because me
say
can't
that.
believe so me hire you
much
to work in a yard and you come in at my house and gone in away enough for gone in.
No, bossy.
This is since I done mixing night you go on.
Hear me out once,
Listen
bossy.
when I come.
Hear me out once, bossy. Hear me
It's
out once,
okay, it's
bossy.
okay. No,
I'm a
no.
man.
You tell me if you come in
No.
here, come over and see when she
Just
don't
know say
eat.
a fire with
She
no
gonna help
pay
me.
No man, it's good. You're okay man.
You not pay me,
It's
bossy?
okay. You just leave for me,
Bossy,
please.
you not pay me?
Just leave for me, please.
This way, make sure you have money for me now. Make sure you have me money for give me
Just
this.
leave. Just
Bossy, bossy, me not running my joke here now.
Look here.
You know what me take you hard.
Bossy, how are you look, bossy?
Leave.
How are bossy you look?
Leave.
Alright. Thing good, bossy, yeah.
Yeah man, you done watch that a while ago. Give thanks, you make it to the end. You know what I mean? And where the one movie end, a new one begins.
And
You
this
know what I
is
mean?
for the Christmas hat. This is the Christmas hat.
Yeah, we have it from last year though. Yeah man. Yeah man, so remember you know, donation is always
Me
good.
don't get one.
Yeah man, so do what you have to do. If you can make it, you make it out. Do it. So that is it man. We there go and hold it off man. In real life, you know what I mean? So big up all of the sponsor them from that time till this time. Big up all of the support of them. Big up all of the donation people who donate, you know what I mean? Because you guys make it possible. You guys make it better, you know what I mean? Still a fight a war still, you know what I mean? Been trying up on the project for studio, you know what I mean? Get some pretty promise, you know what I mean? One of them is so disappointing. I hope she's watching this one. I'm fully disappointed because when people promise, I think they should fulfill their promises. But that is it still. People are just people. But big up to the people them who never promise and them come true so much. You know what I mean? So never expect nothing from some people because promise I come for it to a fool. Look out for the movie I come soon, you know what I mean? Put it down to the ground. So big up to all of the people them who do them best, you know what I mean, to survive it, you know what I mean? So we are fight a war, but when you're doing good, it's never easy, you know what I mean? So we're fighting a war. Yeah, so you see I look at actions and make up a monkey face and things, so yeah man.
the future at JAMMIWOOD. Let's go.
JAMMIWOOD City.
Yeah, let's go. Let's build it. You know what I mean? Let's go.
Building the channel.
Yeah, man. We're doing it. We are trying to go 100K. We don't play. Let's go.
And Daddy's putting on some work.
Yeah, a lot of work. Sleepless night. You know what I mean? Let's go. Support. You know what I mean? Let's go. Tell them later.
Bye-bye.